Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss types of learner or learning styles. So basically there are three learning styles: auditory, kinesthetic and visual. And one more is added nowadays, read and write, and few more are they are derived one. Basically there are only three. Remaining also we will discuss in detail. So first comes the visual, and we will take the topic simultaneous equation. So first is the visual learners. Visual learners, they learn by seeing. You see in the example I is given. So for simultaneous equation we have to draw the graph or the chart or coloring codes. You see these are the simultaneous equation. There are two equation, two lines are there, they have to draw. This is the point of intersection. Point of intersection is nothing but the solution, the answer. Okay, when you solve the equation, what is the value of x and y? Whatever value of x and y we get, that is the solution, x and y. Okay, so visual learners, they learn by seeing the things. So this we can draw the graph, draw the lines and find the point of intersection. Then come the kinesthetic learners, the learners who does by doing. That means hands-on activities, or drawing the graph, or matching the things. Suppose on one card you solve the problem and you miss. You see, when you solve the problem, leave some steps in between. If you leave, suppose this space if in between, they will fill the spaces. Then the problem is complete. That means point of intersection, or if you give the answer missing steps, they will do it. The third one is read and write. This type of the student, they take the notes, they solve the problem, they see the problem. You have to show step by step how we are solving. For example, here you have to show all the methods: elimination, substitution, subtraction and addition of the lines to get the point of intersection or the answer. They are the solution. Then they will solve by the things. Some are there. This is only the three things. The fourth one is the logical analytical people. This logical analytical type of the student, they see the patterns. What are the pattern in elimination method? What are the pattern in substitution? And they make their own patterns and reasoning to understand the problem. In other words, they understand how the structure of the problem is there, how it can be solved. Next comes, these are the derived one. Next come interpersonal learners. They work in groups. For them, you have to make the groups or the workstations, and they do by learning by peer tutoring, helping each other, or they become math buddies. Suppose one will solve the problem, both will solve the problem, they will verify the answers. One will solve by the elimination process method, one will solve by the substitution, then they will see are they on the right track. That means they have the same answer or not. That another one is intrapersonal learners. These are independent learners. They want to learn by themselves. That means as far as they know, when they get the things from the teacher, when they want to do by themselves. So really they need the help, guided practice. So that is self-pack. They are also known as self-pack learners. You have to give the answers to them. Then you have to give the worksheet. They will solve on the worksheet. With answer, if you give the with answers, they will solve and verify by themselves. They will not cheat. This type of the student. I have answer, what shall I do? No. He want to know how the things go on. He goes on reflection. And they will write the journal. What they have learned, what are the methods, what are the things are there. These are the things. These are the few types of the learners. Few things about the learners. So we have to design our lesson plan according to the learner styles. You have to accommodate all the types of the learner. Above all, we have to remember the sane student also. That's it. That's it about the type of learners. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends.